Hello and welcome to TechMap. Subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for latest notifications.
So today I'm going to show you how to make a multi-boot pen drive, or in easy word you can say a multiple operating system in a single USB drive. So let's get started. So the software we are going to use for this is a easy to boot. You can easily download it from its official website. So here is the software which we are going to use, easy to boot. Just download it. This is for the Windows. Just download it by clicking on this. I'm not going to download it because I have already downloaded it. So now start the process. So here is the software, easy to boot, and these are the various ISO files of the operating system like Elementary OS, Parrot Security OS, Ubuntu, Windows 7, Windows 10, and so on. You can add various operating system as per your required. Just double click on it and run. Click next and it will extract all the files on your desktop. So here is the user interface of easy to boot version 2.04. From here you can select the drive. It will automatically pick up the USB drive which you insert in your computer. So it's best to use single drive at a time, otherwise you have to select it from the menu. So I have inserted a 64 gigabytes pen drive. Here as you can see, it's my pen drive. Just click make E2B drive. Click OK. So here's the simple command window. You don't have to do anything. All the commands will execute one by one itself. Just click yes. And when the process is completed, the window will turn into green. It will take couple of minutes. Simply type Y and hit enter. So as you can see, our window is turned into green. So our process is complete. Hit any key. Now the process is complete. Our drive is completely formatted and easy to boot is installed on our drive. So here is the drive files. So in ISO folder there are various folders like Linux and Windows and utilities, so on. So we have to copy all Linux ISO files in Linux folder and Windows ISO files in Windows folder. So select the files and copy them one by one, it is better. So our files are copied, and now restart the machine and see if the pendrive works or not.
So now I'm switched over to camera to test the pendrive. So restart the laptop. Select USB. As now you can see our easy to boot software works, and we are in the GUI. For Linux, select the Linux, and here are the operating systems which we copied earlier. So I'm going to install the Elementary. So as you can see, now we are in Elementary OS. Let's try it one more time. This time for Windows. Again, select the USB drive. Now this time we're going to Windows 10. Well, I think I didn't copy it. Okay, we are going for another Linux. So now this time Ubuntu. Boot Ubuntu from ISO. Ubuntu Live. So now as you can see, we are in the Ubuntu desktop. All the applications.
And we are done here. Thank you for watching. Like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.